Okay, 1 minute. Let me just clear everything. So we will learn a little bit about formulas as well today. Uh, okay, so here this is also a date, but it is in the general format. So that's a reason you're not able to see the date properly. Okay, if I just give here, if I just write it down here, so with the
Ma'am,
general format, this is the general format of the date.
ma'am,
Yes.
on that day you gave two worksheets, ma'am, and you told you try to do this in next class. I will teach you like that. You told and gave that two worksheet, ma'am. I did
Mhm.
that, ma'am. Few questions I did. The rest questions I didn't do, ma'am. I have sent in WhatsApp, ma'am.
Yes, yes,
Please,
please send me the WhatsApp.
I have sent, ma'am.
Okay, the large sheet, right? 1 minute, let me check. Yes, in this. So customer payable will be the total, right? So it is price including tax. Uh, I'll give you the formula for the customer payable. Okay, this I can get it. Okay, I'll give you the formula for this after the class. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
okay, and then did for 1 second. Let me just. Why there is only same date has been seen. 7. You should. This can be converted into. This can be converted in without the percentage to general. Okay. It should be 1 minus, okay? The formula is 1 minus this value. Okay. This will come into the in the square in the brackets. Okay. It looks fine. Paste as values. This column also has to be pasted as values. Okay. Okay. Looks fine. Formula is
Ma'am,
also.
it was not able to copy paste that, ma'am.
So here it is the format you need to copy paste. Okay, so here I'll do Control Shift down, Control C. Okay, Control C, and then I will go on top of, click on this here, paste as. Here you can see formatting. Okay, see, getting my point?
Can you explain whichever questions I didn't do, ma'am?
Sure,
Because on that day you didn't explain, ma'am. Just you gave
sure,
the
sure.
answer.
Yes, I will explain this right now. I have a different sheet. The date one, I will explain it for myself. Before that, let's explain this one. This one also you didn't do, right?
No, ma'am.
Okay. From here, okay, cop control. I will select this line first, then Control Shift down. Control Shift down will copy the whole table. I mean, select the whole table, then Control C. Control C is for copy. Okay. Then I will come here. Here there is a pasting options, right? This is just paste. This is paste as values, paste as formulas, transport, and this is formatting, right? If I click on this, the format will be copied. Okay, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, try it by yourself when you're doing. Okay, date format I will explain you right now. Okay, I see what you have done over here. You have did from here like this, so everything is same date over here. So yes, okay. Anyways, it's not same date everywhere, so it was different dates over here. This is the solution key. Let me explain this for you first. Okay, so let's see how do we format if there is a different type of uh, I'm opening this. Okay. Okay, so there is a date over here. This is the date, but this is not, this is in the general date form. Okay, to convert it, it is in the general date form. So I will just put it down here. It is in the general date form. So if I want to convert into this general date form into a date, so I can go to this number tab. I can click on this and I can add it as short date or long date. So if it is a short date, I can just put it into short date, but I need to customize into month, date, and year. So that means it should be month, date, and then year. Okay, so I can click on this, and here more number formats. Okay, more number format. I can go down for the customize. So it is in the date format. I can just go down for customize, and then I can write over here what day, however I want to customize it. That is MMDDYY. Y. Okay, now if I click on OK, as you can see, it has been done to this format. Now if I double click on this, the date has been changed. For each general format, it has given the date in this format. Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now if I want to change it in the, I don't want the slash, I want to give it in the uh, first I will give the reference of this. So Yes, it's already in the, I have already customized, so it is coming in this way only. So if I just run this, as you can see, it has been customized to this format. So I will go down here, more customize, then I will give it code, that is mm/day/year. Okay, and then click on OK, and then double click. It will customize. Okay, for the long date, I will click on this first and then choose here long date. Okay, and then double click. Month and year also can be done directly from here. I can just click on this and then I will change it into month and month colon year. Okay, is same for you. Okay, so this you can try it by yourself. This one I will explain. So when there is something like this special colon, special kind of characters are there, when there is a special characters, you need to give them in the quotes. For example, over here, more numbers, obviously, as you can see here in the double quotes, I will give the special characters. I'll show you once again. So it in double quotes. First thing is hashtag. I will give it in the hashtag in the double colon. And then year. I will pass for the year. Y year. Okay. Then double quotes. Close the double quotes. Then MM. Then open the double quotes. Hashtag double quotes DD. So it will, so here if I just give the equal to, right? Confusion? Vidya?
Once again, show that formula, ma'am.
Sorry?
Once again, show that formula, ma'am. That
Sure.
customer.
Sure. If I can zoom it for you, I will paste this formula for you, okay? Check. I've sent it to you on WhatsApp.
Only for special characters, we should put double colon.
Double quotes in it. That's all. We have to pass the special characters in double quotes.
Okay.
Okay? That's all. So if I just click on OK, and if I fill handle it, this is called fill handling. Fill handle it, everything will be filled. Okay, this is all about it. And now here we need to find the month number, right? Month number. So we have some formulas for extracting year, month and date. Okay, clear this. Clear this. So I will show it from here. Okay, so if I just want to take the year of it, I can pass year and then I will pass this date. So it will just give me the year of the this date, though it is in the general format, but still it will generate your year. Okay, for month there is formula for month as well. So it will give you the month, and the date, day is for date. Okay, so here it will give you the date. Okay, so if I just want the month number, I can just pass month of this and as it is in the date format, it is giving you that. So if I just customize it in the month number, I can get only the month number. 1 second. January. So it will give you the month number. I can use the formula as well. Okay. Month and this make 3. Okay. This is using formula. This is using customization. Okay. This is using formula. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So for getting the week numbers, they're asking for the week numbers over here. Okay. So let me just clear this content. I will show you the week numbers. So there is a formula for week numbers. So that is week num. Okay. Week number will give you the number of the week. So here they have specified Sunday should be 1 and Saturday should be. So this is a serial number. I want to get the week number of, and here we need to take the return type. When is the week starting? We need to specify. These are the codes which is given here. If one should be the Sunday, the Sunday should be 1, then these are the different return types. Okay, when is your week starting? Okay, according to that they will give you the week number. So if I just say for 1, Sunday should be 1, I'm passing for 1, it will give me the week number of it. Okay, this is the formula. Understanding?
Ma'am, they have given Sunday should be 1 and Saturday.
Yes. So if Sunday is 1 and Saturday is all obviously 7 only, right? Saturday, count Sunday 1, Monday 2, Tuesday 3, Wednesday 4, Thursday 5, Friday 6, Saturday is 7. So if Sunday, I have specified over here in the return type, as you can see here in the return type, I have specified Sunday is 1. Naturally, the Saturday is 7 only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I can just specify over here 1 and then I can close this. It will give me the values. Okay?
Okay.
Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
This is for week number. There is some formula for ISO week number. It is ISO week number. There is a formula separate for that. So without any return number, you can pass it. Okay. Then it will give you the ISO week number. Okay. According to the ISO calendar. Okay. This is a different concept itself. Okay. Now you can try to form. So here there is year, month, day of the month. So how to form a date? Okay, how to form a date? So there is a formula for date. Just give a date. First you need to pass year, comma, month. Okay, month, comma, day. Now it will create a date for you. Okay, when you have year value, month value, day of the month also you can form a date by using the formula date. Okay, Understanding?
Ma'am, I was weak. Can you explain again?
Sure. So here there is year, month, and day of the month. Okay, we need to form a date. So you can use date formula. Date formula, inside the date formula, there are three attributes. One is year, month, and day. Okay, so here I will pass the year, month, okay, month value, and the day of the month value. So if I click on that, date has been formed. Okay, I can just combine them. I can just pull it down. For every date it has been, for every value it has been created a date. This one you can try it by yourself. This is using the same formula. First should be year, second should be month, and third should be day. Okay, understanding? There is a concept called fill handling, right? There is a concept called, did you join now, Vidya, or did you leave and
Ma'am,
join now?
yes, due to some network issue.
Okay, because I was just talking for myself, so that's the reason I asked. Understood the date?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can try it for this one as well. You can try it by yourself.
I
Okay,
was. Can you explain that again? During that only my.
sorry.
iOS.
iOS was the last thing you heard.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So sorry. I thought you were talking and then, anyways, I will teach again. What is that? So, this is your sheet. Hmm, okay. Now, now, for example, if you have year, month, and day of the month, you can form the day by yourself by using a simple formula called
Ma'am,
date.
ma'am,
Yes.
I understood that, ma'am. But
Uh,
I asked you to explain iOS again, no, ma'am.
mhm.
During that time, I was not able to hear.
Okay, okay. You understood this date formula, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, one second. Let me just finish this. Okay, now there is a concept called fill handling. Okay, there is a simple concept called fill handling. So when I click on this, so there is this is the cursor, right? So when the cursor changes to this dark plus, so when I double click on it, it will give me the fill handling. Okay, this is concept is called fill handling over here. So I can just click on this. Okay, I can, if I click on this, as you can see, you can customize your fill handling as well. Okay, you can customize your fill handling as well. So if I just click on this, right click on this, so here it is giving me different dates accordingly. It is adding one date accordingly. So if I just want to add copy the cells, if I just say copy the cell, so same date is copied everywhere. If I say fill the series, it will fill the next date for you. Okay, if I say, okay, fill the weekdays, so weekdays over here, only weekdays is being filled, not Saturday and Sunday. Okay, not Saturday and Sunday. It is very much useful tool in Excel. So for example, this is last day of the month. They have given two example of last day of the month. with using fill handling, if I just copy this, if I just select this and double click on it, it understood by seeing the two values, it has understood that it is the last values and it is copying the last values itself. Last value of the month is only been created. As you can see, the whole table is filled with the last day of the month. Without me as a programmer, without any information, it has filled itself. Okay, if I just select these two and then if I go here, so this is how the fill handling works. Without any without your specification, it has given you the last day of the month. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so this is all about this table. Okay, and then okay, this is all about this, and then we learn about cell referencing as well. So for this date you need to add seventh value. So I think you have done that, right? Cell referencing, I think so you did. Okay, but you have copy pasted this one, that's why you're getting the same date, but you don't have to do that. Okay, so you can just give the cell referencing. Okay, okay, Vidya,
Yes, ma'am.
you don't have to double click on this. So what will happen is it will copy the same date to everywhere. Okay, just when you're doing the cell referencing, just click on equal to this plus this, and because you need to fix that value, you use F1, Fn, F4. Okay, so just click on that and double click on this, that's all. Okay,
Okay.
okay, Vidya.
Ma'am, I should do single equals and select the
Yes,
date, add the 7 number and enter. That's it, ma'am.
yes, but I think so you have, in this is your sheet, you had double click on this, so every date has been changed to the same date value.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's a reason you're not getting a different values over here, you're getting the same date values. You don't have to double click on this, you just have to just equal to without this. Okay, just click. So for example, I just need to select this plus, and at this, the shortcut for fixing the value is Fn F4. Click on it, you will get. Okay, you don't have to do this part. Okay, okay, this also is this into 1 minus 10%. Okay, because the H4 is fixed, I will fix my H4. Fn F4, Fn F4, fix it, you will get the value. Okay, this is about all about this. Okay, this also you had done, this is also you were done, so it's fine. Okay, paste also I have taught you. Okay, this sheet is done. Okay, I'm sharing you one more sheet. Okay, I'm sharing you a new workbook. Do few of it.
Ma'am, table number 18.
Sorry,
Table number 18, I didn't do, ma'am, in cell reference.
table number 18. Okay, okay, 1 second. This one. Okay. So first thing we need to price after 10% of discount. This price into 1 minus 10% because we are fixing it F and F4. Only Z can be Z no need to fix. So I'm just fixing the 4 minus add 100 rupees. That's all. Here it is adding 15%, right? Here it is adding 15%. I have optimized everything. Here it is adding 20%. Okay. Now this is done. Now if I double click on this, I get every value. Right? Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
So here what main thing and one thing you need to remember is just you don't have to fix Z over here so that each and every line you can sit and do, because we are moving towards left also. You want the left to be moved. It is moving towards the 15%. It is in the same line. So if I just fix 4, that is the row value. If I just fix 4, if I move it down also, the 4 will not change. The Z4 remains the same. So if I just move it towards right, Z will be changed to AA, AB column. So if I just fix for 4, my whole table will be done within no time. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can try it by yourself. Getting my point?
Ma'am, in table number 17, last column, ma'am.
Table number 17, last one.
This
This
one.
one. Yes. Same thing. So I'm just adding this 1 minus 1, oh sorry, into column 1 minus 20% will be the value. Sorry, I need to fix F4. We can wind up the class. Okay, so before I go to this tables, I will have to show you what is count. You know count formulas, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the different types of count we can use in Excel?
If count if
Sorry,
count if, ma'am.
not COUNTIF. I'm not talking about if formulas. That will take up in the next class. In the upcoming class, that is sum ifs, COUNTIFs, uh, uh, average if, max if that will come into the next time, next picture. So this is something called, there is different types of count. That is count A, count and count blanks. Okay, so I will take up the COUNTIF and COUNTIFs formula in the upcoming class soon. So what is count is, so when you are counting the numerical values, when there is only numerical values, for example, this is a employee ID. There are so many employee ID. I can count. There are 5 employee IDs in my table. Here, if there is, for example, monthly salary is if there is blank values. If there is any blank values, count will not count the blank values. It will not count the blank values. It will give me 3. Okay, it will give me 3, right? Right.
Mm. Yes, ma'am.
So there is something called count A as well. What is count A? So it will also give me 3. It will also give me 3 values only. It will also not count the blank value. For example, instead of blank value over here, I have NA or NA over here. So if there is NA values over here, though there is a difference over here, as you can see, the count value is not changed. The count value will only account for numerical values. When there is a different types of data types in the table, the count will consider it. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now if you want to count the blank values, if there is any blank values, then you can use count blank. How many count blank columns are there? You can use count blank. So if I just select for this, it will give me how many blank values are there. These are the different types of count values you have, count types you have. Okay.